Tired of your phone dying midday? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is your ultimate power solution, ensuring you stay connected no matter where you are. Imagine charging your iPhone over 6 times. This 20000mAh portable charger is perfect for long trips, busy days, or multiple devices. What makes this power bank truly smart is Anker's PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device for the fastest possible charge. No more guessing. Your gadgets get optimized power delivery every single time they're plugged in. It also boasts dual USB ports, so you can conveniently power up 2 devices simultaneously, whether it's your phone and tablet, or 2 friends' phones on the go. This makes it an absolute must-have portable charger for anyone seeking reliable, on-the-go power in 2025 and beyond. If you're looking to buy the best portable charger that actually delivers, check out the Amazon link in the description below. Forget bulky, slow power banks. The Anker PowerCore offers incredible capacity in a surprisingly sleek, travel-friendly design. Investing in this Anker PowerCore 20000mAh means never worrying about low battery anxiety again. Seriously, for dependable power and peace of mind, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is simply unbeatable. Grab yours today.